If you want to learn how to make these very cool alien eyes, keep on watching. First, you're going to want to protect whatever surface you're working on. Feel free to use whatever you have. I'm using newspaper. Find your cheapest pair of sunglasses and pop those lenses right out of them. You're going to need some air dry foam clay. I got mine off of Amazon. Here I'm taking 2 golf ball sized pieces out of the foam clay and smoothing them out. I'm molding the ball into a cylindrical shape in which I want to keep the center a little thicker and the end sort of tapered off. I'm placing the mold around the lens to give the eye its shape and also to ensure that when I do put the lens on my face that it's going to be able to fit into the eye. Did that make sense or did I confuse you more? Does that sound like you take the shape and you put it into the shape so then the shape becomes a shape? Anyways, when I was satisfied with the shape, I pinched out the excess pieces and then I smoothed over whatever lines were left to create my interpretation of what an alien eye should look like. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend I didn't do this yesterday and miserably failed at it and this was my second Hail Mary, but this was the best I could do. I basically repeated the same process onto the other side, but this time I had the impossible task of making these eyes symmetrical. I don't know if I've talked about this in the past, but I really struggle with making things symmetrical. I prayed, and I prayed. I don't think it came out symmetrical, but I think it was pretty close and probably the best that I could do. Maybe you could do better. You should try. If you want to know how I applied the eyes to my face and all else that encompasses this look, you're gonna have to go watch the full tutorial. That link will be provided in my description. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Does it creep you out? Would you recreate it? Why am I such a weirdo? Why are we on this planet? I'd love to know. Anyways, if you've made it this far, I just want you to know that I appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!